What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back for another episode. Today is the first beekeeping video, the real first beekeeping video. It is windy as I'll get out, but the weather's nice. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go and hang my bee suits in the shop. I haven't messed with it in a while. I'm gonna have to dig it out. I think it's down in there. Stuff gets just piled in here. But anyways, I'm not sure what all we're gonna do. I want to look inside these 3 hives here at the house. So it'll be nice, pretty nice weather the next 3 days. Wednesday is supposed to rain, but tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and Thursday is like supposed to be 80 degrees. So we're gonna have to skip the fishing and do some beekeeping videos because I've got to see what's going on. One over here looks like it's already about ready to swarm. So we're gonna see what they got going on, how many stores they got. I've got a bunch of sugar water made up. I'm gonna try to feed them, and I'm not gonna feed these today. Today, though, I have one hive. It is, you can't see it. It's right here on the end. But anyways, that one hive right here, I'm gonna give it away. I'm gonna give it to a subscriber, actually. So as long as they want it, I've hit them up. They said they did want it. But what I'm gonna do is that is just an 8-frame hive that I built, and I'm gonna give them the whole thing. I'm gonna make a split off of it, but I'm gonna give them the split off of that hive. I'm gonna give it to them, and I'm gonna transfer it over the split I'll leave in that box. They're gonna get the box with the split. The hive, I'm gonna keep the actual hive. So other than that, that's all I got. I'm not gonna tell you who I'm giving it to because I got to work out the details with them for sure to make sure that they want it, because I've asked already. They said they were highly interested, and yeah, I've asked them a couple times. We've talked, and you guys know who you are, so you need to let me know because I'm serious. I'm giving you a beehive, I promise. And I've just got more beehives than I really want, honestly. And to tell you the truth, I think I had 17 hives make it through winter, and I just don't want that many hives anymore. I used to want like 1,000. But I just got other things going on. I got family, I got kids, I got all that good stuff. So we're giving away hives now. So if you are lucky here too, maybe one day I'll give you a hive. You got to interact with me though. You guys got to do some commenting down in the comment section and do some thumbs up or thumbs. I don't even care if you don't like my video. Just hit the thumbs up, thumbs down. It doesn't matter to me. I could care less, honestly. But I got to get some interaction out of you people. We got to talk and carry on conversations. You need to ask questions so I can answer them. You know, all the good stuff down there that goes on below. That stuff's what makes your videos go viral, is the interaction. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but the algorithm through YouTube sees all of the comments and the thumbs ups and the thumbs downs, and it actually goes into play whether or not they're going to promote your video. It doesn't matter if it's a thumbs down. If you don't like my video, thumbs down it because you'll help me out. I mean, I promise. But let's get after it. I found the bee suit. So let's go. All right, so out of all the hives I had here, I think only this one right here and that one right there, and then the one way down there. Those were the only 2 main ones. The rest of these are just boxes sitting here. I think I did have a hive in that one right there, that little brown one, and it was really tiny. I don't think they made it. As a matter of fact, I know they didn't make it. I've done looked in it. But we're actually going to take that box and transfer that box and put these bees in this box. So I'm going to put y'all on my chest. I think it's the first time I've ever done this before. But let me get suited up here, get y'all on my chest, and let's do this. Oh, disclaimer. Apologize for the wind. Just going to throw that out there. I can't help it. It's really, really windy. Super windy. Did have a little bit extra honey left out here, letting the bees clean it up. Take that bucket back in and give it a good washing. All right, let's see what we got going on here. First things first, it is glued down. That's for sure. mouse gets in it. Okay, so this hive is a dead out, but it feels like there's a ton of honey in it. So yeah, there's honey. That's all honey. It's all honey. That's all honey. All honey. It's all honey. Well, I mean, and so if y'all don't know, this is all honey, and this was all brood. I'm not sure where the bees are. I haven't even seen the bees. Normally they're laying dead in the bottom of the hive. All honey. All right, so this thing's almost all honey. We'll be able to feed this to my splits. So it won't go to waste. Really thought this hive made it. Guess not. Lots of bees. That's a good sign. Reaching across them. Pure honey. I'm not wanting to light up the smoker, but apparently we're going to have to. I'm going to go off my phone. I got a bee stuck in my phone. Let's just take this. These girls are not happy. It is kind of overcast today. And my lighter's not lit good. These things are so hard to light. I don't want to do that. Okay, so we're lit now. I don't know for how long, but what I'm wanting to see here, I want to see this all honey. That way I can pull this and take it in, and we can extract it. Because you don't want to leave a medium on here. I want to run all deeps. Starting to get feisty again. Alright. So there's larvae and eggs. I need to scrape this right here. Now if you're wondering what this is, that's a Swiffer pad off of like a Swiffer wet vac. Catches the hive beetles. That's all honey, it's eggs, larvae, cap brood. I see eggs, so that's a good thing. Really trying to be soft with these guys. I'm not looking for a queen right now just because I see eggs and larvae, and it's so early in the season that even if something was to happen to the queen, they've got the means to make a new one. It's all pollen. So this right here is cap brood. Let's see if I can show y'all. Alright. So this right here is cap brood. Looks like drone brood. This right here is all pollen, bee bread. And that right there is honey, capped honey. And that right there is the same, all honey. So this beehive right here looks really good on the stores. I'm not even going to tear into it anymore. I've seen enough to know that they need another box. Oh man, this thing's full of honey. Full of honey. What is going on here? Why did this one not make it? Full frame of honey. So, honey, 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 honey. Couldn't tell you why this hive didn't make it. I don't even see any bees in it. Stuck. There's the queen. She's right there. All right, so she's up top. This. Goodness, this is a huge hive. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so that went great. I'm not really disappointed, but I'm kind of disappointed that I only had 2 hives make it when I thought I had 3. And I'm still not for sure what happened. Crap, I took my suit off and I need to go out there and get all that stuff. They're not in the best of moods, so that's a lot of honey out there. Anyways, so that one that's right there, I'm gonna give that hive away. We're gonna put some bees in it and give it to a fellow subscriber. So I'm gonna sit down. It is, it's hot. So I think the plan will be, I had the last hive we got in was 3 tiers high, had bees in all of them. The second box and third box was loaded with honey and bees. The bottom box was loaded with bees, but it wasn't nothing but just old brew comb. So I moved it to the top so all them bees will hopefully move out, and then I can take those frames out and we'll use them on some splits, or I'll put them in some boxes for like swarm catches or something. That old brood comb, I usually get rid of it anyway. But yeah, that's it. We had 2 make it here at the house, and I know I had really good success at the my other two yards. I'm kind of surprised though on the 2 that didn't make it here, because man, they were loaded with honey, so varroa mites must have killed those. But what's weird is I just didn't see any dead bees, and usually you see like a whole bunch of dead bees in the bottom, or if the bees go into winter and they're too small, they'll usually cluster up and freeze to death and die, and then there'll still be honey in there too. But it's kind of weird. I don't know. There wasn't any bees in there, so that was kind of strange. But yeah, anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Like I said earlier in the video, help me out, guys. The way to get these videos rolling is to interact with me. I can't say that it's frustrating. It is frustrating whenever you post a video and no one wants to talk to you, because then you go over and look at like Arms Family Homestead and my buddy Keeping It Dutch and Moorhead Homestead, Crocker's. You'll look at all those channels, and everybody's commenting, and I get like maybe 8 or 9. It's like, I guess nobody wants to talk to me. I'm approachable. I'm a likable guy, I think. But anyways, so I love you guys. Like I tell my kids all the time, be good and do great things. So till next time, we'll see you guys on the next video.